At the end of the day, sometimes you just want to relax and kick your feet up on the couch with Netflix. Then there's that little voice that starts talking. Did you get 10,000 steps today? So a friend on Facebook asked me how to shut those voices up. And I'm going to show you how to do that, so you can find time for exercise even if you're sitting on the couch. I'm Shana with Fitstyle. Here's what I do to get started. During the opening of the show, or while I'm trying to decide what to watch, so many options, I start with simple leg extensions. So I just keep doing leg extensions until I feel warm enough or until the end of the opening of the show. And that way you've got the motivation to stand up. You can throw in a few squats, just a little bum tap, just tap, bring it on up, squeeze at the top. Once I'm up, I step touch side to side and give a little squeeze to work those inner thighs. Then bring it to a march. So even if this is all you do, that's awesome, because this is how you're gonna hit your 10,000 steps. Now I know sometimes those fitness trackers don't always count all your steps when you're marching in place. So just walk around the couch. It's okay if you look like a crazy person. You're at home. So I keep a set of hand weights right by the TV, because out of sight, out of mind, right? So they're right there. If you're like, Shana, I don't have hand weights, or I don't know where they are, grab a water bottle, a filled water bottle. It'll work just the same. During the show, I use them to work my arms by doing bicep curls, which works the front of your arm, and tricep curls, which works the back of your arm, and lateral side raises, which works those shoulders. You do 3 sets of 12 reps. If you're like, I don't want to count, I just want to stay focused on the drama. Well, then grab your cell phone, set the timer. Each set will take you a minute. When you get close to the end of the show, that's when you can sit back down on the couch for a little stretching. You're going to start by stretching out that wrist and forearm, and then you can stretch out your neck. And you want to hold each of these stretches for kind of like 3 breaths, and stretch out those shoulders. Plus we're going to stretch our hip just by crossing one leg over the other, so your ankle's on top of your knee. You can just give a little pressure there. Again, you don't want to feel any pain, just a little tension. Oh, this stretch feels so good, and you can honestly do it anywhere. So once you've done the right and left side, you're all done. You can head to bed guilt-free, because you found time for fitness and a little TV and couch time. So stay tuned for more Fitstyle with me, Shana, on Guru Hub.